Darren the Great. Happy over here.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. Cooking phenomena. For you see my blender, you know what's about to go down. Okay, we're gonna be doing some strawberry and pineapple smoothie or drink. But before I start, I already cleaned my pineapple, and my strawberry was frozen, so I made sure I did that part for the hard part to go away. Now we're gonna begin by doing some blending. I'm using two different NutriBullet right here. So here is my strawberry and here is my pineapple. I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna blend this one first. I need it to be thick and I need it to be rich and really nice. So let me get a little tip of water from my refrigerator right here. Just a little tip, because this is over frozen, so I don't want it to be too thick. All right, so let's go ahead and we're gonna be blending. We're gonna be doing something so nice today, guys. Really nice. Let's put it in, power it on, and begin. See what I'm talking about? Because we're about ice in it, so we're gonna make sure that we get it blended. But we need it to be icy, okay? Nonetheless. We're gonna add a little bit more water to it. We have the water gradually as we blend. We don't want to be watery or too soft, right? So let's go ahead and have this. I'm doing it in two different bullets because I want the two different colors. I don't want it to be a mixture of everything, especially when you want to do it fun for the kids. Yeah, I want to make sure we're doing it fun so the kids and everyone will enjoy, especially the colors, because kids take these things more lightly when you have that beautiful color, right? All right, so let's go ahead again and we're gonna begin. Remember, freeze your pineapple and freeze your strawberries before you do this, or you can have some ice. Shake it up one more time because I want to make sure that everything is blended and smooth. You see how thick that is? That's what I'm aiming for. Shake it up, and I think we've gotten this to where we want it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be doing our strawberry, but I'm gonna make sure that I rinse. So smooth, guys. Look at this, so smooth. I'm gonna rinse the yellow off, the pineapple off of it. I'm rinsing it off, so I'm gonna do the strawberries. I'm gonna also be having some tropical rhythm medley. This is red. I already shook it up. I need to get this red color well thicker, so I'm gonna pour a little bit in here as well. I use this tropical because it's thick and it's more juicier, and we need thickness, right? All right, So let's go again. Guys, let me tell you something. This is so rich and so nice and so thick. Look at this. So let me get my station together and then I'll show you how I do this. Alright guys, so here I have my little settings. So nice, you know. We gotta make sure that we do that little, you know, whatever it is. I'm gonna throw this in right now. Here we have this. Let me get something. See how thick that is? So thick and so nice. Let's take our time. Here we go. We don't want to mess this up. Alright. Take our time. Clean that off. And then this can be used if you're doing an event or whatever it is. This is so nice. I want to get the two colors so different. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna be throwing this one right here around the edges. Oh my god, look at that guys, look at that, our strawberry and pineapple drink. So nice, so delicious and so nutritious. The two color section is going on for it. All right guys, don't forget to like and comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, make sure that you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I feel like I want to add a little bit more of, because I want to mix it up, right? So we're gonna add this little yellow over here. I'm giving you ideas guys, so if you have any little functions or any little stuff, you can do your thing just like that. Here we have, look at those colors right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some red over here, over this part right here. Look at those colors and tell me what you think. Thank you guys for joining me on Cooking Phenomenal. Let me make sure I clean my glass. Thank you guys for joining me on Cooking Phenomenal. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see you on the next episode of Cooking Phenomenal. Big up on yourself, and remember, love and love alone. Love you guys. Peace out.